the plan for the ribbon to like scrunch and hold the pants didn't work, so we need to add some tucks because now the pants are 10 centimeters too long. So we're adding tucks. We're adding 2 rows of one that's 1.5 tall and 2 rows of 1 centimeter. So we've been doing some calculations here. So the tucks worked, and now we have to do the other leg. Okay, so we gotta make the chemise a lot less open in the neck, so we're just gonna open the neckband, gather some more, and yeah, we'll just have to deal with a seam in the middle. No problem.